Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to create print processes in Designer applications. We're going to be using a homeowner's insurance rating tool and create an export file like the one on the right. A print process is a collection of documents that act as a base for PDF generation in SpreadsheetWEB. You can tie any number of print processes to an action button to allow users to trigger all such events when the button is pressed. Please note that all files uploaded through the print process designer must be a Word document with docx extension. You can use stubs inside your Word documents to include data fields from your web application inside the resulting PDF export. But more on this later. To create a print process, begin by clicking the Print button and go to the Print Process Designer. Here, click Add Print Process to create an empty print process and then give it a name. Print processes created this way will be available as an event inside action buttons in the user interface designer. A print process must have at least one document to show as an event. In this example, our application consists of various types of inputs, and we're going to give our users the ability to get a PDF export of a code page at the end. Since we're going to be including data fields from our application, we're going to need to define those fields as stubs in our document. Stubs can be created by entering a name inside double curly braces. It is usually a good idea to name your stubs accordingly so that you can map them easier once we get to that step. To import this document as a print process, we need to edit our print process and import this document. Here we can add any number of documents into this print process. To add your document, click Add. Import your document and give it a name. Once uploaded, we're going to see the number of stubs detected in our document under the Stubs column. You can edit existing documents by pressing the Edit button next to it. Clicking the document stubs next to our print process will allow us to map and edit the stubs from our content. Here we can choose to enable or disable individual stubs, map them to a named range from the named range dropdown, select a data type from the Type column, and apply text formatting from the Format dropdown. Once you're done, click Update to save your changes. We can now assign this print event to an action button from our Designer application. To do this, we need to go to the User Interface Designer and add the corresponding button. The name of our print process is going to be available under the events. When a user enters their inputs and presses the export button, all calculated values that are coming from the named ranges from our underlying spreadsheet will populate on the corresponding stubs in the Word template, which is then of course converted into a PDF document. In the proposal document, you can see the inputs as well as the calculated premiums. Thank you for watching.